This has got to be one of the dumbest takes on nutrition I've ever seen.
All these years, I thought I was overeating. I was standing there with all the food noise, what I ate, what I should eat, how many calories was that, how long is it going to take. I thought that that was because of me and my fault. Now I understand that if you carry the obesity gene, if that is what you have, that is what makes you overeat. You don't overeat and become obese. Obesity causes you to overeat. Obesity causes you to have all of that food noise. And what the GLP-1s have done for me, and I know a number of other people, is to quiet that noise.
So just to reiterate, according to Oprah, overeating doesn't cause obesity. In fact, obesity causes overeating, and obesity is caused by the obesity gene, which I guess you have no control over. And all the talk about how many calories you should eat, what foods you should eat, and what foods you should avoid, well, that's all food noise, which can be quieted by taking Ozempic. Okay, so first of all, there is no such thing as an obesity gene. In fact, even a recent literature review published in the journal Obesity Reviews, which I'll link to in the video description below, and which focuses on some of the genetic factors that can contribute to obesity, acknowledges that obesity is caused by a complex array of factors, including genetic, epigenetic, biological, psychological, and environmental factors. Now, as you can see here, these researchers did highlight the potential effectiveness of many different types of treatments and therapies for treating obesity, including glucagon-like peptides or GLP-1s like Ozempic, but the very first interventions to treat and prevent obesity discussed in this study, including where the authors referenced another meta-analysis that synthesized the results of over 90 studies on obesity, are, you guessed it, exercise, specifically resistance exercise, higher protein intake, and caloric restriction. In other words, move more and eat less. So unfortunately, I think the statement made here by Oprah is misleading. And because she's a famous celebrity with a huge worldwide audience, that means that she's going to be misleading millions, if not tens of millions of people. Weight loss therapies like GLP-1s and Ozempic can be helpful in treating obesity, but they should never be looked at as a substitute for lifestyle modifications like diet and exercise. In this case, I just can't agree with Oprah. Let me know what you think in the comments below.